good morning. It's November 16, 2013. And andito kami sa Linian Hill. We had an early morning, about mga 5 o'clock. And andito na kami. It's like 4-kilometer hike. And it's like, the elevation is like 45 degrees. And look at that. Yan, yung mayon, hindi naman nagpapakita. And these are my friends. Yan, that's Angge. Diba? And, ayun, si Mikey, and the other one is, ayan. Yung ibang kasama namin nandun pa, you're looking for water, kasi nga nakakahingal. And, this is the highest peak just around the city. Ayan, diba? Dun kami nang galing. It's the runway of Legazpi Airport. And dun din kami. Somewhere there yung bahay na tinitrainingan namin. A lot of persons here, like, having a jog in the morning. And it's really nice. Katumba siya ng parang Jack's Ridge in Davao. Gloomy siya konti. And you could just see it's the sunrise over there. I don't know if it's kita. Yun, they also have zip line. I don't know kung saan siya patungo, pero it's kind of nice. Look at those one. Those people here like doing it. Kind of. What else? But it's really nice. Sana nakita yung mayon. Most likely, if dun yung sunrise, then of course, kabila yung sunset. So, maganda rin siguro pag, hapon na. Kasi dun na yung sunset. What else? So, maraming pupunta dito to jog and to do wellness exercise. Sad to say, hindi pa open ata yung canteen eh. Pero nevertheless, hindi pa naman ako in need of water. I'm not parched yet. So that's it. So this has been Vina. Bye bye. See you.